DXYZ Stock Analysis Monday and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video to the end to find out. Destiny Tech 100 stock analysis today is very simple. Like for Monday and onward, like I'm still pretty bullish, but there's a catch. There is a big catch. Just to give you context, I'm using my strategy that has previously given me thousands of wins in 2023, and I'm telling you this because that's the truth and I've documented everything. But more so, looking at the XYZ, the price needs to give me the Wyckoff accumulation. I'm really not like right off the bat bullish like this, right? First, a few things need to happen, and this is why I'm going to put this wait sign here. Mainly because I want to see the price, do what? To accumulate, right? This right now is a very big bearish momentum. A very big bearish momentum doesn't make sense to go against it, right? And just be bullish out of the blue. I want to see first the price give me this upside breaks, and then I can capitalize on it. Because after testing it for 20,000 times, like I've made 20,000 videos on my YouTube channel over the last 4 years, this is what I've seen working the most, and I've collected a lot of data on it. So surely going to keep you updated. Waiting for something along these lines. For more value and resources, check out the first link in the description.